Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Amaravathi? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. This innovative company specializes in providing cutting-edge 3D scanning solutions that will leave you amazed. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to choice for all your scanning needs. One of the key benefits of utilizing 3D scanning services is the ability to capture intricate details with incredible precision. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands this importance and ensures that their scanning services deliver nothing short of perfection. Whether you need to scan a small object or a large-scale project, their team of experienced professionals will provide accurate and detailed results every single time. The team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is passionate about utilizing the latest advancements in technology to bring your ideas to life. Their 3D scanning services allow you to create digital models that can be used for a wide range of applications. Whether you are in the field of architecture, engineering, or product design, their services will help you visualize your concepts like never before. Not only does Scon Design India Pvt Ltd provide exceptional 3D scanning services, but they also offer a range of additional services to meet all your design needs. From 3D modeling to rapid prototyping, their comprehensive suite of services ensures that you have all the tools necessary to bring your vision to reality. With their expertise and attention to detail, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the perfect partner for all your design requirements. Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Amaravathi? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. This incredible company offers the most innovative and high-quality 3D scanning solutions that will blow your mind. With their state-of-the-art technology and expert team, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is revolutionizing the field of 3D scanning. Whether you need scanning services for architectural purposes, product design, or any other application, they have got you covered. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of accuracy and precision in 3D scanning. That's why they use cutting-edge equipment and software to ensure that every detail is captured flawlessly. Their team of skilled professionals is trained to handle even the most complex scanning tasks with ease. From small objects to large-scale projects, they can handle it all. With their 3D scanning services, you can bring your ideas to life and create stunning visual representations that will impress anyone who lays eyes on them. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other 3D scanning service providers is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They strive to exceed their clients' expectations by delivering exceptional results in a timely manner. Their dedication to quality and efficiency is unmatched, making them the go-to choice for all your 3D scanning needs in Amaravathi. Another great thing about Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their versatility.